Oh yeah, this one's to give Drew.
Oh, cool. Well, he gave them to me. Well, actually, he didn't give them to me. I asked him. I was like, I need some more grenades, man.
He was nervous about it.
Yeah.
I know.
Please, may I have some more grenades?
Please, sir, I want some more. What? Please, sir, I want some more. More? All right, stop it. Stop it right there. Now go on, fill up the bowl. Go on. That's it. Now, put on this dress. Put it on! Now dance.
This is my first time ever playing airsoft. I have no idea.
Oh wait, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. My fourth game ever.
You enjoying it?
Yeah.
Good.
I love guns, I love the woods, and I love shooting at things, so perfect. I love teamwork.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm Corey.
Hey, Corey. What can you compete with that? Any other cursed guns out here? Cursed guns!
Full auto with this thing.
Better stretch your arm out a little bit before it, you know, get ready. Dude, what if I just stood here and went like this? Would it fire?
Yeah, probably a couple times.
Yeah. Dude, I'll have a gun over your shoulder, be like this.
Oh, karambit. Grenades and stuff.
Is that a karambit or is that a different style?
No, it's a karambit.
Nice.
Go!
Oh. Alright, keep on!
Yeah, have small arms carry it.
Alright, so don't bring it past the main.
Here, let's talk single file. So, there you go. Does that work for you? All right. Let's follow Drew to the left a little bit. I don't want this out in the open. Oh, I hear.
You don't mind that box?
I was looking up there.
Well, the respawn.
Wheel, wheel. What do you think, man? I'll follow your lead. Oh yeah, there's always gonna be two on it.
Welcome back.
It's good to be alive.
Welcome back to life.
Thanks.
No. I would leave the spawn right here for now. We gotta find theirs over there.
Okay.
So we can shoot one of them side as well.
Let's bring it up to where everybody is. Let's bring it up to where everybody is, so then we can say we're here. Go.
Yeah, but if the problem is if we lose that, we can't respawn on it. That's the high risk, high reward.
Oh, okay.
Kill with the sunpipe gun.
Nice.
I'm not having to tell them too. I'm like, you got killed by the sunpipe gun. You seem very happy about that. I just like.
Hey guys, guard that for a sec. Ooh. Yeah, so they're like plywood on the back side. Oh, back over there. Okay. Hit. Dude, that thing is gnarly.
A couple others too.
Yep. Saw you guys moving.
Alright, we should, what should we do?
It's to the left, straight left.
Why are you running? Yeah!
Koya comes.
Epic removal device.
No.
I'm trying to figure out a game plan. they definitely know we're here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's my last life. I'm about to just kind of run at him and crab walk and try to shoot one of them.
Dude, I'll get you throwing a grenade.
Oh, I'm throwing plenty of grenades. You throw a grenade.
All right.
I used to blow people up in the maze where it was really fun.
Ready to party, let's go.
Careful what?
I can't see them, bro.
Only people I see have their hands up.
Hey.
Welcome to the fun club.
Yeah, I was in there and wasn't really being able to do much.
It's kind of hard to get a shot off the big street block.
Yeah.
May as well.
Yeah, but I can't see where it's coming from.
Yeah, same.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's like almost straight in line with the.
I would, but I don't want to break that thing.
Okay.
It's so flimsy.
All right.
This man?
I'm out.
This man?
50-50. 50-50. I did it.
Window man!
Come.
No!
Come, get that beacon.
They got a beacon here?
Window. Damn it. You good?
What? Back there.
Behind the shed.
What? There's one right there? Oh, it must be there.
He's pointing at the big white pipe. The big white pipe isn't a mobile respawn.
Oh, the big white pipe is not a mobile respawn, it's a blue.
Your gun be going dead.
Battery's
Yeah.
dying.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, man. Just be careful because you'll see the window. Yeah, so they were all right up in there. I think we just cleared it out. We should probably move forward.
Did you see him?
Yeah, he got blasted in the ear.
Yeah. Might as well get some of us shot. Some of us in
The window where?
Yeah. Respawn.
The window where? Oh yeah. Is he against us? He's one of ours, isn't he?
You want the bulletproof vest? You would need-
Yeah, we can totally move up, man. Yeah.
Watch your right flank.
Oh, hit.
Good old fun.
Hit. Hey, man, are you okay? I saw you get beamed when you're walking
When I
out.
was walking, yeah.
Yeah, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not my first time getting shot.
I got one on the right side here.
Okay.
Behind the.
Yeah, I just saw him move up.
Okay.
That's Troy. Careful, he's quite the crash shot.
I batteried out. I'm a big gun.
Same here. I actually just swapped mine out.
Hey, I just saw another one duck up behind the thing on the right. Yeah, so there's at least two over there now. Woo! Oh, I'm gonna throw a grenade on this.
What, do you want to throw it at him?
Yes, I do. Ah! I got one more.
I have more kills than like several people today. Okay.
Fighting for my. Oh yeah, well I die better than you. So there. Hit. I almost made it.
Almost.
Almost. That just sounds gnarly, dude. Adventures in Airsofting. There you go. Perfect. Yay!
That is so bad. You'll probably be in it.
That is one of the patches I want to make, and also like grenade OOT.
Oh.
And good shot, brother.
Come here,
Good call, brother.
Good shot, bud. Good one.
Yeah. I'm gonna do a whole bunch of them eventually.
That is such a nice run. Who's our first? Let's put the first
So you said this is your first day, right?
No.
Oh, it's not.
No. That's my second week, but we used to play Airsofting.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's right. You were saying that. So what got you back into it then?
What did
Oh,
what
good
got
job,
you
man.
back into it, though?
Got back into it because I had money. I had money again to buy guns.
Yeah, the truth. I could afford to play again.
And then I started watching
Oh, is she a YouTuber?
Desert Fox.
Oh.
Desert Fox Jet. And then Adventuring and Airsofting.
Oh, cool. Oh, so you've seen some of his videos? Oh, nice.
Grim stuff. Yeah.
Awesome.
So I've definitely gotten
Oh,
the older gentleman, yeah.
I've only seen some of Drew's stuff, yeah.
I'm not surprised how many people are out here that are pretty. There is Grim. Laundry. There we go. Laundry.
I think Grim is over there, man, if you're looking for him. I know, dude. At least our running up there and spurred everybody else to run up there. Oh, winded from that. Couple big guys are running, man.
Him, Rick, he wants to jump on a grenade.
I'll jump on a nade. Does that mean it's dying? Do you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but you can switch to the pistol here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I met a guy who had a BAR.
Oh, really? Ah, hit.
Dude, I saw you fly up here, man. I saw you not run that hard in a long time, dude. I'm the only one that made the comics so bad. Huh? I ran all the comics so bad. I started turning around like, are you on the freaking meeting?
Are you kidding me?
I was right behind you.
I was in the opposite.
Will they call like 5 minutes left or anything?
Yeah.
I got all the comics.
We are, we have this one right now.
Okay,
They're
good.
pushed so far back that we can take our time.
Okay.
I need to walk back and respawn, but I'll meet you here.
They're literally in there.
I know.
Well, I'm gonna go up a little further and see if I can blow their spawn up.
Yeah, just stay behind top of you, alright?
All right.
So we're doing mobile respawn?
Or, I'm sorry, just by the spawn, What?